Hey, what's up guys, I'm Lan here. Welcome back to a new video on my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about iOS 15 developers beta 7. I know guys, I'm late and I am already using this update for last 2 days, but I didn't get time to make the video. So here's the video guys, iOS 15 developers beta 7. It came in about 603 MB on my iPhone XR. So if you are having iPhone XR and if you're coming from iOS 15 developers beta 6, of course it will be around the same size. But if you're coming from iOS 15 previous developers beta, probably developers 4, 5 or maybe the previous betas, then the size could be different for you. So in this video we're going to talk some of the changes and more about the battery life and the performance, how has it been holding up with my iPhone XR with this iOS 15 developers beta 7, and we're gonna go into the details of the update. So if you're new here, do give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Also I would request you to watch this video till the end so you get the full idea about the update, and also at the end I would let you know if you need to update to iOS 15 developers beta 7 or not. So without further delay, let's get right into the video. So first things first guys, let me go to the settings and let me go to the general and about section. As you can see, the software version says iOS 15 and the new build number is 19A5337A. So the letter A at the end, it denotes that we are going to get iOS 15 update. That means a public update very soon. Now I had taken a screenshot before, let me show you that. So as you can see, before updating the build number was 19A5325F. And if you look at the modem firmware, it was 4.0.0, and after updating the modem firmware is same as you can see from here. So there is no new modem firmware update, but also according to the community poll and according to the update that I got from my friends, so the network issues which was there in the previous betas that have been resolved with the latest modem firmware update, which is 4.0.0. So let me know if you're having any connectivity issues if you're using iOS 15 developers beta 7. Now in terms of storage space, as you can see, before updating it was 29.39 GB, and after updating it has sort of decreased, which is just okay, but it is 28.7 GB. So that's all the update details I wanted to share with you guys. Now one more thing, many of people, they do comment on my videos that they are not able to get the update. So then again, you need to go to the general and then need to go to the settings here and then click on software updates. Click on this automatic updates. If these are turned on, make sure you turn this back off and then again turn on these options and then check for the software updates. So if you have a software update, if you're using the developers or the public beta profiles, then everybody is getting iOS 15 developers beta 7, so you are eligible for that. So that was regarding the update. Now let me tell you what's new with this update. So with this update specifically, I haven't noticed much change, at least the icon change or the UI change or things like that. But what I was able to notice, if you go to the settings and if you go to this option which says display and brightness, so previously as you can see, the appearance settings, it says light and dark. So it is of iOS 15 wallpaper. So previously I had taken a screenshot before, so as you can clearly see, when it was on iOS 15 developers beta 5 or beta 6, the wallpaper was of iOS 14, as you can clearly see from here. But that's not the case. As you can see, if I tap on this display and brightness option right now, after updating to developers beta 7, it has been changed to iOS 15 official wallpaper. But unfortunately, if I go to the wallpaper, there are no new wallpapers apart from the one that was previously there that has been added. So I hope that with the final release of iOS 15 or probably the release candidate RC, they might add some new wallpapers, but that's expected. But as of now, I just wanted to mention that if you click on this display and brightness option, so previously this light and dark option was of iOS 14 wallpaper. Now it has been changed to iOS 15. So that's the only minor change I was able to notice. Apart from that, the phone feels fluid. There is no performance issues as such. And even let's talk about the battery. So this is something that I want to talk about with with this update, because the battery health has not been dropped, because before updating the battery health was 89% and after updating the battery health is still 89%, and it supports the peak performance capability. Many people tells me that if I update to the latest iOS betas, would my battery percentage drop, would my battery health drop, what will happen, would that be buggy? So let me tell you once again, this iOS updates do not cause the drop in battery health, they just rechecks the physical capacity of the battery. So if your battery health has actually dropped physically, so if you update to the latest iOS, so definitely it will actually show the right figure over here. So that's the thing. Now talking about the battery life, this is my secondary device as of now. So as you can see from the screen on and screen off time, I don't use this phone as my primary device, but let me tell you that with iOS 15 developers beta 7, the battery life has been actually good. It has improved a lot from the previous betas, and if you talk about the last 10 days, as you can see the average screen on time and the screen off time, so if you can judge, you can see that I have been using only 20%, 10% of the battery life. For that I have been getting a very less screen on time. So if I had been using this device with my full potential till 100%, I would have gotten a screen on time probably between 6 to 7 hours, which is okay for iOS 15 beta updates. Let me know in the comment section below, if you are using iOS 15 developers beta update, how has it been the battery life, and if that is your primary device. Now many people have asked me whether this iOS 15 developers beta 7 is stable or not. Now at this point of time, I would say that iOS 15 developers beta 7 is actually stable, because many of the issues have been now resolved, and I don't see a performance issues as well. So this phone is almost 2.5 years old, and still I am using this phone, and with iOS 15 latest updates, this does not cause any lag or whatsoever in the performance. So this feels actually really great. So at this point of time, if you ask me whether you need to update to iOS 15, you can definitely update to iOS 15 developers beta 7. That would be my honest opinion. And apart from that, as I talked to you about the phone itself, the phone really has been performing really great with iOS 15 developers beta 7. So if you want to update, then definitely it would be a thumbs up from my end. If you want to update, you can update to iOS 15 developers beta 7. Although I want to remind you that iOS 15 public beta is not very far, because the build numbers have started coming with the letter A in the end. So you can understand that we are going to get iOS 15 public release very soon. So let me know that in the comment section below, whether you are excited to use iOS 15. Also let me know that which iPhone you are using. I have my iPhone 12 over here, on which I use iOS 14, and this is my secondary device, which is iPhone 10R, and here I use iOS 15 just to try out the new features and just to make videos for you guys, so that if you want to update to iOS 15, whether you should be updating to the latest iOS 15 or not. So that's the main motive here, to make all these videos. So let me know whether you have any queries, or you want to see any more videos on iOS 15 latest updates regarding this on my iPhone 10R. So let me know that in the comment section below. If you have liked this video, give this video a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to the channel. Now with that being said, I will see you on my next video. Bye.